For construction workers, our hands are everything. No matter what tool you are using, you're connected to it with your hands. That's why at Granite, we've established our Granite Guard tool safety standard and partnered with Milwaukee to provide our teams with top-of-the-line tools with safety features that protect your hands. All Granite Guard approved tools come with several features that make them safer than the alternative. In this video, we're going to learn more about how these safety features work on some of the most common hand tools you'll find on our job sites.
At Milwaukee Tool, we're dedicated to driving safer solutions and eliminating safety hazards where possible. During the course of this video, we're going to give you a brief overview of some of our key safety features that reduce hand lacerations on the job site. The first feature that I wanted to highlight is dual trigger activation. Dual trigger tools require the continuous use of two hands to power up and run. Either hand comes off while in use, the tool will power down, helping keep you in control of your application. This feature is present on our M18 Fuel dual trigger grinder, dual trigger deep cut bandsaw, and dual trigger compact bandsaw. I'll demonstrate with our 5-inch dual trigger grinder, first by squeezing the side handle and then the main paddle. If I remove one hand, it will power down and I'll need to recycle both triggers to start it back up. On the dual trigger grinder, you also notice that the side handle has more going on than just the extra triggers for enhanced accessibility and control. The next feature that I wanted to highlight is auto stop. The tools that carry the auto stop logo have added technology that will detect sudden changes in tool orientation or rotation and power down the tool. This helps reduce the severity of a loss of control or kickback event, reducing the chances of it getting out of control. We've been steadily expanding and refining the auto stop user experience for several years, and you can find it on select M18 Fuel drills, rotary hammers, magnetic drill presses, pipe threaders, and angle grinders, with more to come in the future. Demonstrate this on the rotary hammer with auto stop. Auto stop kickback control prevents over-rotation by stopping the hammer if the bit binds up while drilling into unexpected rebar or hard aggregate. Our dual trigger grinder also includes auto stop, and due to the versatile use of a grinder, expands detection across all three body axes. Lastly, I wanted to highlight our latest M18 Fuel half-inch drill that utilized a unique machine learning algorithm to help reduce nuisance trips by differentiating between controlled tool rotation and a sudden loss of control. Another feature used across several solutions is rapid stop accessory braking. If you've ever used an old corded angle grinder or cutoff saw, you know how long it can take for a wheel to spin down on its own. Rapid stop helps bring that wheel to a quick stop when you release the trigger, keeping you in control of your accessory. You can find rapid stop across our range of M18 Fuel angle grinders, die grinders, and our M18 Fuel and MX Fuel cutoff saws.
Our anti-vibration system, or AVS, is commonly used in tools dealing with concrete, specifically our rotary and demolition hammers. The goal of this feature is to reduce vibration felt by the users to improve their comfort over long periods of use. This feature is implemented into many of our rotary hammers, however it is not a copy and paste solution. We designed this feature to fit the unique need of each of our tools, from our small, compact SDS Plus rotary hammers to our large and powerful SDS Max hammers, and even up to our MX Fuel breaker. You can find AVS on the majority of cordless rotary hammers by looking for the AVS logo on the side of the tool.
Another area that we have been hyper-focused on is by improving ergonomics throughout the job site. An area that we saw as a huge opportunity for innovation is in the concrete form assembly process. As you all know, duplex nails are used extensively throughout concrete formwork assembly. The main way that duplex nails are installed today is by driving them with a hammer. This is a very labor-intensive process that occurs repetitively and contributes to a lot of wear and tear on your bodies. With the introduction of the M18 Fuel duplex nailer, we are driving disruptive innovation that allows you to complete concrete formwork assembly much faster while reducing the amount of effort it takes. What this means to you is a significant reduction in peak muscle effort and time under tension, meaning more work that can be completed before fatigue. By eliminating the need to swing a hammer, we are reducing the likelihood of you getting a repetitive motion or strain injury. We are passionate about ensuring the tools that we provide to you are optimized to improve ergonomics in your daily tasks, striving to have you leave the job site each day feeling better.
Another example of our enhanced ergonomic solutions is the M18 Fuel overhead rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction. This innovative solution addresses both safety expectations and performance expectations in drilling large quantities of small holes overhead. This new-to-world 2-in-1 design delivers improved ergonomics for overhead work compared to traditional rotary hammers and dust extractor attachments. This is achieved by reducing the size and weight of the tool by over 2 pounds to lower the fatigue and strain being put on the user when drilling overhead. Additionally, we brought the side handle down closer to the rear handle, allowing for better posture and arm placement when drilling repetitively. This allows for the user to keep their arm rotated inward and shoulders level for less fatigue over long periods of time.
If you'd like to learn more about our enhanced safety and ergonomic solutions, or would like to schedule a demo, please reach out to your local Milwaukee Tool field rep.
We're out here at the West Cliff Stabilization Project in Santa Cruz, California, talking with Eric. We're talking about our partnership with Milwaukee and the Granite Guard program, focusing on safety. Eric, tell us about the duplex nailer and what it is you like about it, what stands out, and everything that you've experienced thus far.
I would pick it over a hammer anytime. It's safer, faster, and super lightweight.
Tell us about the batteries, interchangeability.
They last a long time. I can grab another tool, pick it up, and just swap it.
Eric, thanks so much for joining us today and spending the time. Let's let you get back to work and put that tool to use.
Thank you for coming up with all these tools and making our life easier for us.